What's going on, guys? It's TerrenceRe, and we got a stock market update for you. We're gonna go over levels, because of course, like Meek Mill say, there's levels to this, right? So the market, if you looking at the overall market right now, just had the closing bell of about 45 minutes ago. The S&P futures look like we ain't really have no action today. It was a lot. This today would have been a good scalping day. The scalp within a range, because you only got the day closed with the spools up about 0.5%. Nasdaq futures up about 0.75%. Dow futures relatively flat, and then the Russell futures up, 11 handles. But within that, and the bonds closed up with the ZB, the ZN, but the 2-year closed down. So that's letting you know that they still the 2 years, the one you watch, that's the one that's most affected by the Fed policy. And so we have like a nice inside day range of trading. However, I'm going to go over the past week or so. I've had Fibonacci levels set up on Netflix. We're going to take a look at them. We're going to talk about Tesla, and we're going to talk about the IWM. Those are three we're going to focus on. And we'll look at the bonds and kind of see where we might be going, for the next week or so. First one up, let's go ahead and talk about Tesla. Let's jump right in. Like, if you're not checking out my weekend videos where I come in and I give you the expected move for the week, I'm giving you the expected move for the week. Look, I put these lines here on, I think I did a video Saturday or Sunday, but here you go. So the expected move for the week, I got the line here and the line here. What did it do yesterday? You see it touched and came right back inside. So here we are. Here we sit. So if I had to guess, if I had to play something for yesterday, tomorrow, I'm guessing we're gonna stay within this range. I don't know though, but you can see that range did hold, and we're still within this range. I don't know what's the expected move for tomorrow. It's just a $5 move on the board for tomorrow. I don't expect a big move tomorrow. You can see it held here. We just got to see what's gonna happen after that. But Tesla, basically, after this big run up right here, is just holding. That's all we getting on Tesla so far. Let's take a look at Netflix. Now, I've been thumping on Netflix for the past week or so. If you go back and check my paperwork, go check my previous videos where I've been talking about Netflix when it was up here, right? And I actually posted a trade in the members section on the community tab. Well, I actually posted a trade that I did. I don't recommend trades. I just will show a trade that I've done. So I got into here, and I had a couple winners in here. I had these levels on here. You can see it touched the 100 right there. We got that yesterday. And then today, look at it. Came right down to the 1618, and look at it wicked. It's respecting that level as support. Now, you seeing the stochastic is oversold and beginning to turn up, right? So I could see Netflix possibly having a update tomorrow. Not a substantial one, right? I'm just maybe this support level, this Fibonacci support level will hold for a day or so. I personally have already taken profit and closed those trades. Now, if I can get a pullback up into here, I wouldn't be afraid to get short again. I would not be afraid to get short again. You got another level down here. Let's see if we can't see it. Let's see if I can make it where we can see at the 2618, and that's right around 280. Let's call it 287 would be another support level for Netflix. I probably would do 290. Let's look at the option chain and let's see what the option chain is telling us about 290. Now, let's do this. The next, let me show you guys something. Now, once again, this is the TastyWorks platform. I'm gonna come in here. Come on now, be nice to me. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna pull up something. Let me see if I can. I know they have it. I want to show. I want to show a range. I want to show like a one. Basically, I want to show a 1 sigma move on the chart. I know how to pull it up on the option chain, but I would like to. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to find what I'm looking for. I should have already had it ready. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to find it. But let's see, expiring cone. Here we go. Probability of expiring cone. Boom. Now you see this cone right here. Now, this cone, this yellow cone, why did it look like that? I don't know why it opened up like that. But if you see this expiring cone right here, right? You see how it's going out? This cone is telling you what a one standard or a 1 sigma move, one standard deviation or 1 sigma move would be from this price level right here over the next 20 days. Let's see. Should be able to see it. You can see it right here. And it's giving you a bottom target and a top target. So over the next 20 days, based on this IV, it's giving you basically a $30 expected move. And so what you can do, knowing that, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna go and look at the option chain, $30 down and $30 up. Let's go 20 days. Well, that's gonna put you at, I would say this option right here. I don't like this option on 22 days out if I'm bearish. Even though you got some price, you got a lot of action right here, 300. Me, I would come out here 57 days. Boom, there it is. I'll be right around this area, right around that 31 delta. You can see today 1,000 contracts just today, 1.24. See right here, and then you got 1.8. So somebody trading in here. Look like some type of, and you got some trading right here, and you got some trading right here at 265. These levels got heavy concentration of action on the put side over here. And so I would be somewhere right around in here. If I still think that, but the best trade to me, because that's a low probability trade, you're going to pay up for that put. I would probably wait, see if I get a pullback, and then come right in here and maybe sell a call or sell a call spread. Do something like that. That's something I would do. But I did. These are my fib levels right here. I can take this probability of expiring cone out because once again, my fib level is right here. It's just outside of that, right? So I don't think, but keep in mind, this cone is only for the next 20 days. If I'm not mistaken, the next 20 trading days at that. So you're looking at this range right here. Now, let's do this. I'm going to drop that off of there. Come on. Take that off. Now, we looked at Netflix. We looked at Tesla. Let's go to IWM. I'll show you what I am in currently, like right now. I am in, let's see. I own a put on 57 days out. And I'm at the 179 strike, right? So I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Now I didn't put this trade out into the on the community tab. It's just something I jumped in on my own. I didn't put this trade out there. But here I am, right? And you can see I ain't the only one right here. It's a lot of other action right here. Just today alone, this particular strike traded 64,000 contracts. 64,000. Now, I don't know whether they sold them or bought them. I'm guessing they bought these puts. I can't see someone. I wouldn't sell a put right here, in my opinion. Just me. If I was going to sell a put, and I see that to be honest with you, I'm selling. I'd be a little closer, and I'd be closer dated. If this wasn't 57 days, and maybe it was. See, someone would sell a put. Maybe, in my opinion, they'd be 35 days or closer, and then selling the 179. Right? I could see this being sold because we're expecting to get a pullback sometime in here. I don't expect it to go straight here, but it could do that just like Netflix and hit this 1618. So that's why I gave myself 57 days and bought this put. And so at this point, we're 57 days out right here. And see, I'm well within the expected move, TastyWorks expected move, this ruler, right? And I got a 57% probability of touch. So I like that. I like that. I like that probability right there. So we'll be on the lookout and we'll see. And obviously, like I said, I got a high, low, high, lower, low, right? I got my flag, got my retracement. You up there at my sweet level. I put my extensions on. At this point, we just count levels. You know, we got this level, that level, and we got a few more down. But I fully expect to hit this one. Give me that AB equals CD move. But it could possibly go down and hit this one right here. So I'm gonna hold this for the 179 level. And that's that. And so what the reason why I'm so bearish, I'm not always bearish, but I am bearish when I see the setup that I had in the bonds. I've been talking about this for the past few weeks. Ever since we got this pattern right here. This is a Gartley. Like you literally got here, boom. It hit this level, pulled back, hit another Fibonacci retracement level, and just took off to the downside. So right now, this is what a 10-year is. It literally has, you got another level, you got another 2 levels down here to hit. And I'm banking on it hitting those levels. But that doesn't mean that we can't get a pullback, right? To resolve this oversold portion of the stochastics. So we could probably get a pullback up into here, possibly. And if we get that pullback, the market may rally as well with the bonds. And then once we get right here, then we get that flush, right? And then that's when you'll see the other equities on here that I talked about. You'll see those sell off as well. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and go ahead and join, because as I, do trades, I post them to the community tab. That's specifically for the people who join. I'll let you see the stuff that I'm trading. I still show it anyway to everyone else, but it's after the fact. Like after I've already made the trade, then you might see me, show it. Like I already made money on this trade. So, but the community would have been able to see that trade. So, hey guys, let me know what you trading. Drop a ticker down in the comment section, something you want me to chart up, and I'll let you know what I think on it. And with that, guys, I am going to be out. Peace.